Welcome back to my channel Math Brain, and today we have a very tricky challenge. 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8. Maybe this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen, but a lot of students make this common mistake. So right now I want you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and in the end of the video we will check our answers, we will check our solutions. It will be really interesting, I promise you. So first of all, I want to start with this first interpretation. A lot of students solve these challenges like that. We have 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8. Yes, here's our challenge. A lot of students say, okay, here we have multiplication and here we have multiplication. 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. Yes, division in the middle. Then they divide. 64 divided by 64, which is equal to 1. This is option A. A lot of students solve these challenges like that. They say this is a correct answer and they go to the next challenge. But in terms of maths, it's really great to know about order of operation, because whatever order of operation we select, it's going to create a different answer, right? So we should know what is the correct order. Let's look at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphic calculators works according to PEMDAS order of operation. And how does PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. It means that higher position, higher priority. Parenthesis has the highest position. It means that parenthesis has the highest priority. Next is exponents. It's like 8 square, 8 cube. Next is multiplication division group. And last step is addition and subtraction. So let's solve our challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. We have 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8. Yes, here's our challenge. Let's scan our challenge. What do we have? We have multiplication and we have division. Yes, multiplication we have right here, division we have right here. We don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, addition and subtraction, right? We only have multiplication and division. What we should do at first, guys? We should multiply or we should divide. We should solve our challenge in a strict order from left to right. What is the first sign from left to right? Is multiplication, right? 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. 64 divided by 8 times 8. So next step is division, because division is the first sign from left to right. We should solve our challenge in a strict order from left to right. 64 divided by 8, which is equal to 8. Yes? And our last step is multiplication, 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. Yeah? This is option C. This is option C. But what is the correct answer now? Option A or option C? Because a lot of students say that option A is a correct answer. Another part of students say that option C is a correct answer. Let's look at our first interpretation. We solved this challenge absolutely randomly. We just jump from left to right. We can solve our challenges like that. We can do whatever we want. If we have brackets right here, if we have parentheses, guys, this is a correct answer. This is a correct approach, because first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next, division, it's option 1. Option A is the correct answer with brackets, with parentheses, but in our case we don't have any brackets, so we can solve our challenges like that. We can do whatever we want, we can jump from left to right. This is absolutely wrong answer in our case. We can do like that. Let's look at our second interpretation. We solve this challenge according to PEMDAS order of operation. Yes, this is the most popular order of operation in the world. We solved our challenge in a strict order from left to right. Yes, 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. Next, division, 64 divided by 8, which is equal to 8. Our last step is multiplication, 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. Option C is the correct answer. This is a correct approach, correct solution. I hope your answer is the same as mine. I hope you learned something new. I hope you understand my explanation, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, so thank you for your time. Have a great day and see you guys in the next videos.